Yeah. How are we going today, YouTube? It's pretty much been raining for the past 2 days here in Whistler, and it sort of has stopped for a little while. I have absolutely no idea where this video is going to go. I'm just hoping that when I start filming and we go outside and do things, that something will happen. So we're just gonna go do some trails, I guess. We're not gonna do any of the nut stuff. Just gonna go ride around the valley trails.
The most casual trails in the world, because I don't feel like face planning right now.
And yeah, so we're just gonna go for a bike ride and hopefully something happens. Cool. Yeah, wearing shorts, not a good idea. It is cold outside, and these legs of mine, they are not feeling good.
It's cold, man.
I wish I sort of lay it up a bit more like you did.
Yeah, look, my legs will feel it.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're gonna break with our right hand. Are we going down that trail?
Yeah, I guess so. Where else is there to go?
Down here?
Oh, you want to go down there? I thought.
Where are we going?
I thought we were going to the.
Long way.
Yeah, I thought we were going to Lost Lake.
Oh, are we?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, like we really have no idea what's going on with this video today. It's like, it's very much start doing and hopefully something comes to mind. Yeah. Get off your phone while riding.
Oh, Jackson, drive if I want to.
Come here. Ah! Recording?
I can't see.
Open your eyes. Alright, but if we duck right before the tree, that means we don't see the sign. Yeah, but we don't want to see it. Clearly the sign says foot traffic only. Are you going to go before me? Push hard. I'm going to cut for you then. What? Oh, you Gucci. Right.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you. This is warmer than outside. Bitch, honestly, put your hand in there. I would 10 out of 10 swim in this right now.
Do it.
Well, no, I have my clothes on.
Do it. Yeah, but look how shallow the water is, Pelican. It's like, it's always going to be warm here when it's like there's no water. Oh yes, it's so warm. Oh yes, this little bit here where there's no depth. Oh, it's so warm.
Okay,
Oh,
shut up. I mean, it's not the greatest looking day.
No. It is very misty and cloudy. Huh.
I reckon it's worthy of a dip.
Worthy of a dip.
Yeah.
Like, look, if I had clothes to like,
Change into?
yeah, I'd be a bit more keen.
Down with that.
I guess I could always just jump in my undies and then like just take them off, put them in my backpack.
You should do it. Do it.
Yeah, on second thought, there's nah, I'm not jumping in. I'm not fucking jumping in.
Yeah, nah.
Nah, yeah, nah.
Very.
Very. Anyway, let's keep going.
let's keep on biking.
Yeah, man.
Shout out to Gomez. Can't wait to be back eating burritos with you.
I'm gonna go down to the infamous cool jetty. Or do we want to look at it from a distance? Wow, what a jetty. You can go like step on the log or something.
Go step on the log.
I touched the butt. Nah. Imagine. Yeah, I know you guys can't see it, but there is a couple sitting down there. Can I zoom? No.
I reckon they're breaking up.
Oh god, that's not good.
You know, summer's over, the summer romance is done, there's plenty of more fish in the sea come winter.
They definitely don't look happy, do they? They're definitely breaking up. Fuck.
That is a dead set serious combo.
Heavy.
Oh, he's even drinking. He's drinking his woes.
Oh god, heavy.
Well, because he wants to fuck someone else in the next month or two.
Alrighty, that's enough. You wanna hop off your bike so you don't scare him, dude? He don't like you. Hey buddy, where you going? Nah, doesn't. Oh, maybe? You thinking about it? Nah. Yeah, he's a good boy. Oh, it's a girl. Oh, she's a good girl.
And she's normally real fluffy, and she's just had to be completely shaved, so she's all freaked out.
Don't touch me, I'm not pretty anymore.
She had mats.
Oh.
Yeah, but it just feels funny on their skin, I think, too, you know?
Yeah. Alright, have a good day. Hold on. Ready? Instead of putting the chain back on, no time putting the chain back on. We'll just
Slingshot me like snowboarding. Yes! And I was like, so yeah.
Yeah, but I got pedals, so we should just try pedal at the same speed. Alright, ready? Just hold on, and then I'll make my legs do all the variety.
Thank you.
So we don't have to put the chain back on.
This is what happens when you break your girlfriend's back. And don't pay to fix it like you said you would.
Oh no, this bump's gonna kill us.
Ah, you can do it. Yeah. Come on. You're doing so well.
It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be.
This is fine. This is like you holding the umbrella for me yesterday. Stop trying to wheel me up, bro. Do you reckon it'd be easy if you just to hold my bars? Oh, I think the pad will get the splash shot.
I reckon it might be easier if I hold your handlebars, yeah. Nah, I don't let go. What are you doing? Alright, let's put the chain on. Embarrassing me in front of Greg.
Like Greg?
No, I don't know.
Oh. Like Greg, boss.
You reckon you've got it, mate? I reckon you're like almost a pro putting that chain back on now after I broke it.
I don't want to be, but...
Oh, you really cooked it this time.
Nah. Yeah.
Oh, nah. Oi. She looks pretty fixed to me, boy. Nice one. It is actually starting to rain now, which is fantastic. But we'll just keep on biking, you know what I mean? Hopefully something good happens. Whoa! Do something sick again. Whoa! Wait, let me get close up. Let me get even closer. Is your chain off again? Because you're doing too many sick tricks, bro. Jesus. Let's see how far you can roll chainless. I reckon this hill's gonna get ya.
Alright, well, here we are again.
Maybe today's video is going to be how many times does Steph's chain fall off in one bike ride. This is number 2. Alright, we'll come back when the chain's back on. Yoop. The chain is back on. How long will it last for?
45 seconds.
Do something cool, bro. On the follow cam. I was gonna say, whoa, whoa, whoa! Do something. Go up the thing. You've got it. On the follow. Whoa, whoa! This is nuts. Whoa, whoa! Go up again. Go up the side one. Whoa, whoa! Did you see that, people? Ah! Well, you need it, yeah, right, yeah, there you go. Oh god. You want to go try the kids one? Technically, you can avoid the puddle. Another big ass puddle. The worst thing about this one is it goes straight into this tree here. That tree right there that seems to have been hit a lot of times by people. Steph, we've actually got someone in who knows what they're doing. Probably should hop out. I'm out. Wow. No worries. So that's how you do it. Get him, babe! I've got the sick footy for the corner. Whoa! Yeah, keep going now on the berm. Sick footy. Oh, Steph. You've got this. Because I'm a YouTuber and I have to manipulate my friends like David Dobrik for content, and you're my only friend. Get paid in love.
Where's my car?
Get paid in love.
Where's my car?
Paid in love.
Alright, you're pedaling for me. We rolling.
Alright, follow cam. Gimbal bike, Mitch here. Oh, yeah. Get in the footy. Remember, stay high. Yeah, sick footy. Yeah, this is fucking mad fucking content, bro. Oh, you're getting a bit too close. Yeah, freaking shred boss. Woo! Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's go. I feel like a kid, you know, when it's raining outside and you get in the pool because the pool's warmer than the rain.
So warm in here right now.
You think we should hop in? Do you think we should go hop in the hot tub? Should we do like a cool water transition where like I drop down, make heaps of bubbles, and I do like the same thing inside the pool? Ready? No, stop. We'll just jump and then we'll like make bubbles on the way down, ready? So big splash, ready?
Blow out or blow
No,
up?
just like smash your body limbs. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, this hot tub feels fantastic. I guess this is turning into a day in the life. A day in the life.
Day in the life of Stephanie Mitchell. How horrible.
It's tough. Not everyone can do this. It is honestly tough. Well, I guess now is a better time than any to let everyone know that we're freaking gonna be coming back to Australia. Bloody Australia, mate.
Oh my god, chill out.
Oh, hanging Australia. Fucking Australia.
Stop it.
Australia. There's a good chance actually that I'm actually gonna be able to snowboard as well. So fingers crossed that we're gonna be back in time to get a shred in, because oh my god, have I missed being on one of these guys, man. Like, oh, it's been crazy, dude. I miss this so much. Man, this is 2 videos in a row where I can insert the Kim Kardashian crying meme.
Love that.